You guys have fixed a problem that I didn't really even think that it was your problem to fix.
Very much like cycle times in manufacturing, if I'm able to make things in a shorter amount of time, I can make more things in a day. Well, if I can quote more opportunities and tackle more opportunities in a day, that's more at-bats, which means more hits, which means more revenue. So multi-site means quite a bit to us.
The flexibility in being able to see all 4 sites is incredible. So we don't have to look for things. We know we can find it very easily through the multi-site tool.
You know, some of our business units are able to tackle larger parts and some of them are not. They're able to quarterback opportunities to one another. So what multi-site allows us to do is for one business unit to worry about quoting the printed part and then subcontract the quote internally to one of our business units to do the finished machining and then deliver that as one quote to our customers. And that saves our customers the hassle of cutting 2 separate POs. They can just deal with BTX who they trust. So, you know, that's another function where I think multi-site really helps us quite a bit.
There's different ERP systems, and that creates a lot of problems because it silos shops. And with the multi-site, it lets us have a very good view, an overview of everything that is going on in all the facilities. I get a very good, clear view of where things are. And I know that when, as projects progress, I can move them back up and get back to the customer very quickly, and everybody knows exactly what their responsibilities are on that project.
There was a moment with which we were contemplating adding somebody to do this work. Right now I'm doing it, and it would entail a lot of copy and pasting, logging out of one environment, logging into another environment. And what maybe in the past could take as many as 10 minutes per instance, now takes 15 or 30 seconds to do.
If I didn't have Paperless Parts, I don't know if I would be doing this job.
They are absolutely in it for all of us to win together. And I don't know that I deal with any other company that I have that same feeling. They, you know, really the Paperless team has raised the bar.